You got a good? Hey, you want to see some? Look.
What the fuck, boy? I ain't showing you a dick.
What the fuck is that box doing there?
Dude, you ran me over.
Oh shit, my bad. Oh shit. Sorry. Alright, sorry for hitting you with a car. You can have it. Why the fuck is he sleeping outside? That disrespectful motherfucker. Oh, shh. Dude, I got you a fucking car. Why are you sleeping outside?
I'm just trying to stay humble, man.
Sorry for hitting you with a truck. You want it? Are you okay?
Yeah, but my ankles hurt a little bit. You mean it? I can have this 2021 Cummins Turbo Diesel 3500?
Yeah.
No way.
It's weird you know all the details to it.
I'm out of here.